What if I told you there are people making real money online every single day from their phones, laptop, even from small towns around the world? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down 5 real proven ways you can start earning money online, whether you are in Nigeria, UK, India, Ghana, or anywhere else. So these are not get rich quick scheme, right? These are real opportunity people just like you are using to change their lives. So if you are ready to start making money from anywhere in the world, hit that subscribe button and let's get straight into it. So number 1 is freelancing. What is freelancing? Freelancing means offering your skills to clients online and getting paid per project. You are your own boss, you choose your own hour, and best of all, no degree is needed. So for you to become a freelancer, you don't need a degree, you don't need a certificate, you don't need to have the best qualification. All you needed to do is to have a skill. Now let me just bust your brain. For you to make money online, and you don't want to fall into the hand of scammers, you don't want to be scammed, you need to have a skill to generate source of income for you. For you to make money, you need something for an exchange. Is that you sell a product? Is that you offer a services? Do you get? So you need a skill. Now I'm going to be sharing with you 4 high demand skills that you can use as a freelancer to start making money. It's not going to take you the whole year. Just give yourself 1 month, 3 weeks. Give yourself to this thing and you are going to learn it. And you don't need to spend any money before learning this thing. It is free of charge. Okay, let me just start. Number 1 is video editing. If you love to edit video, this is a good opportunity. There is high demand for people into video editing. I mean, you can earn as low as $10 to $25 per hour. So when you approximate that in a month, it's going to give you like $1,500 to $2,500 monthly. So depending on the hours you put in the work and your experience. So number 1 is video editing. So you can use app like CapCut, InShot, to start editing. Go to YouTube, search for how to edit video for beginner. Then you. So the second one is graphics design. So under graphic design, we have social media posts, we have business flyers, we have logo design, we have banner. So we have other ones. So you can decide to specialize in one. Either you want to do everything, or you want to be doing logo design or business flyer. Now, you can use a simple app called Canva to design your flyer. You can see the examples of flyer I've created here. I created it myself without using CorelDRAW or Photoshop. I use Canva. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you can create a flyer. Do you know that if you create just 3 weeks, leave 3 weeks of 1 month to learn how to design this flyer, do you know how much you are going to be making in a month? Then you can be earning as low as $10 to $25 per hour. Designing just a flyer that will take you just 5 to 10 minutes. Do you get? Approximately $1,500 to $3,000 in a month. So depending on how much you put in the work, your marketing strategy, where you are going to get a client. And here in the video, I discuss where you are going to get your clients. So this is just a simple way you can make money online. So guys, before we continue, if you are here and you're watching my video, you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you on your notification bell so that anytime we release video, you'll be notified. The another one is copywriting. So if you are lovers of writing, you like writing, then you can go for copywriting. You can help people to sell with words. So you can help convince people, you know how to write very well, then go for copywriting. Then we also have high demand skill, which is web designing. So web designing is creating a website for business owner. So you can reach business owner. We have different business out there. We have different business owner, a lot of business. You don't need to, it's not everybody that knows how to do business. So you can offer service to business owner, because this is a digital age. Everybody wants to put their shop online. Do you understand? So there is high demand for web designing. So you can use this this platform as WordPress to create a website, or HTML or CSS. HTML CSS is coding. It's not everybody that loves coding. So you can create a website yourself. You can learn this on your own. I create my own website. In fact, almost everything I do it on my own. I don't give it out. I create a website myself and I learn everything on YouTube. using WordPress. So you can also do that. And do you know how much you are going to be earning as a WordPress, as a website designer? Do you know how much you are going to be earning? So just put in the work. So the next thing we are going to talk about is where you can get these clients. That is the next thing we are going to be talking about. Where can you get these clients? So the first place you can get this client is on Fiverr. So we have freelancing platform that allows you to post your work, what you have done before, that allows you to post it. So this freelancing platform, what they do is that they connect the buyer and the sellers together. Those people that want the job to be done for them, and those people that are offering the job, the skills or the services. Do you understand? So they connect both of you together and ask and collect small percentage from your own revenue or your own income. That is okay. So yeah. So number 2 is Upwork. Upwork is another freelancing platform that connects you and the client together. Do you understand? These are the places you can get clients for your services. Now, another place is LinkedIn or Instagram. So once you have this skill, all you need to do is to go out there and be visible to people. When you don't put yourself in the face of people, people will not know you. So make sure you are visible to people. Let people know you. Promote yourself. Post all the works you have done. Do you understand? Just post it and begin to talk. Give out value. Let people know you. Do you understand? So you can also join Facebook groups for entrepreneurs, for business owners. You can get your customers from there. Post what you do. Tell them about what you do. They can get customers. So these are the platforms you can use to start getting clients. And how much can you earn? So we also have, before we go to how much can you earn, we also have people per hour. So that is another thing. So now, then how much can you earn? You can earn up to $10 to $25 per hour. So depending on your marketing strategy, depending on how you are ready to put in the work, we have people that have this skill that are making $1,500 monthly, $2,500 monthly. So are you ready to put in the work? Because some people want to make money, but they are not focused, determined, and are lazy to work. Do you understand? So you must be ready to put in your best. So that is that about freelancing. So number 2 is, so let's go to the second ways you can make money online. Number 2 is customer service or virtual assistants. So what is virtual assistant? Virtual assistants and customer service freelancer help business run smoothly. Your task should be answering emails, scheduling meetings, managing social media, and helping customers solve problems. So it's like being a superhero behind the scene. So, but from your couch. Now, you don't need a fancy degree, but you do need these skills. So if you want to offer a service as a customer service or virtual assistant, there are important skills you need to have, which are communication skills, organizational skills, time management, problem solving, and basic tech skill like how to send email, Zoom, how to make use of Zoom. So these are the basic skills you need to know as a customer service or virtual assistant. So now, where are the places to get customers? Number 1 is you can set up a profile on Fiverr or Upwork. So just go to I'm going to leave the link there. Just look for a way on how to create an account on Fiverr. So then you can also offer your services on LinkedIn or Instagram. Then you can join Facebook group for entrepreneurs. A lot of them have need for virtual assistants. So another place you can get a client is 24/7 virtual assistant. You can also get clients from Asina Assistants. Then we also have Billy. So these are the places you can get customers. So let's talk about how much you can earn as a customer service or virtual assistant. So before we talk about how much you can earn as a customer service or virtual assistant online, if you are here and you're watching my video, guys, and you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Just hit the subscribe button and make sure you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate that. It goes a long way. Thank you so much. So let's continue. So virtual assistants
and customer service freelancer can earn up to $10 to $15 per hour. So that is, depending on your experience and skill. So some virtual assistant even make $3,000 in a month. You can imagine how much you'll be making if you convert this money to Nigeria. So working part-time from anywhere in the world is the best thing. So you are not spending the whole day or just few hours of your day to make money.
So the third way to make money online is to become a social media manager. So what does social media manager does is like, in summary, you are the one to manage their page, either Facebook page, Instagram page, their TikTok page, or this platform. You are the one to manage their page. Now, what does social media manager does? Number one is they create posts. You are the one to create their post, either Facebook or Instagram or TikTok. They reply to comments. They also schedule content. You be the one to create content and make sure you schedule their content. Then another one is that you help them to grow their page, grow their followers. So if their follower is very low, you are the ones to increase their followers. Maybe either do it organically or you help them to run adverts to gain follower. Then you are there to also help them to run ads. The target of every business is to make profits, to earn money. So you are there to help them to run ad. Do you get? To either make sales or to either increase their visibility or to either grow their page, depending on the goals of the company. So that is what social media does. So now, where to find clients? Number one, we can find clients using this freelancing platform. Number one is Fiverr. I've talked about Fiverr. I told you, if you don't know how to create an account on Fiverr, there's a link in the description box. Click on the link and watch how you are going to create a profile. Number two is Upwork. Then also you can get clients on Facebook or Instagram. Just make sure you are visible to people, post all your content, give out value. Before you can get a client either on Facebook or Instagram, you must give value. Let people know what you are doing. Be visible to people. It is when people know you, that is when they know that this person knows how to do this thing. So these are the places you can get what customer. And as a social manager, how much will you can earn? You can earn as low as $500 to $5,000 per month.
If you are ready to become a social media boss, comment social boss below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification bell.
So the fourth one is digital products. What are digital products? Digital products are anything you create once and sell over and over again. Now, things like ebook. Now, I'm going to show you examples of ebooks. So this is an example of an ebook. For instance, if you have knowledge about a particular thing, maybe you have knowledge about how to cure a fibroid or how to lose weight. You have knowledge, there's no knowledge that is wasted. Everybody needs information. Information is power. You can convert this into a digital format. So look at the examples of ebook. Now, you can convert into a digital format. You create this ebook once and sell lifetime. Like, you can sell it over and over again. So that is number one. So number two is online courses. So these online courses can be in a video format. For instance, you are a caterer, you know how to bake, you know how to bake cake, you know how to bake meat pie. You are an hairdresser, you know how to make hair, you are into cooking, you know how to do all these things. Do you know that you can make a short video, record the process on how you are able to achieve? I'm just using this as an example. Record the process of achieving what you know and start selling. You are doing this just once and you can sell over and over again. See, knowledge is power. Everybody needs, there are people that need what you know how to do. So record it and put it online and sell. So other ones are Notion planners, Canva templates, online courses. These are also examples of digital products. So now the next thing is, where do we sell them? Where do we get clients or customer? So number one is Etsy. So this is their website. Go there, click on sign up and create an account with them. Then you can start posting your digital products there. Then we also have Gumroad. This is their website. Just visit their website to sign up an account with them. So this is the platform that allows you to sell your digital products. Then we have Payhip. So you can also sell your digital products on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. So the next one, which is the last one on the list, is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's products, and when somebody buys through your special link, you are going to earn a commission. That is simple. So affiliate marketing is, you are not the one that owns the products, you are not spending money, you are not investing any money. All you need to do is to promote somebody's products and earn a commission. So anybody that buys that product using your link will be, you will be given a commission. So that is just about affiliate marketing. And you can, partner with Amazon Associates. So these are the platform you can register as an affiliate marketer. Amazon Associates. So we also have Digistore, then we have Impact. So these are the websites. Just go there, create an account with them. Once you create an account with them, you are going to be given a link. Then you can also run an affiliate program with Jumia or Konga. Then we also have CJ affiliates. Do you understand? So these are the platforms that allows beginner, these are the platforms that is good for beginners to start, affiliate. Let me just tell you the channel or the platform you can use to market. You can either use your Facebook or Instagram to promote your products, or TikTok. So, or you can also like YouTube, the way you are watching me, create an account on YouTube. Tell people about the product, tell them the benefits of the products you are offering. If it is a skincare product, any type of product you are promoting, make sure it is something that is recommendable, that when people use, they find it valuable. So tell them about the benefits. Let people see the reason why they need to buy. Don't just force them to buy. Create value around the products you are selling. I'm telling you, you are going to make a lot of money in doing affiliate marketing. So these are the 5 ways to make money online. You get? So if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you share this video and like this video. Okay, see you in the next class.